Hi, it's Vickie of Organization Rules. I get a lot of questions about how does virtual organizing work. So I have one of my clients who is willing to show you how it's worked, what his experience has been, and we'll just do a little bit of organizing virtually so you can kind of understand it. So his name is Pat, and we have been working for probably 3 or 4 months, and he has some challenges, and let me just show you Pat. There's Pat. There's Pat. Whoops. Let me bring you back up here, Pat. Okay. Okay. So, Pat, so how has virtual organizing been going for you?
It's been going well because basically what happens with me when I go to do anything, it's always starting, which is a hard part. But I have an appointment with you, and I have to be ready to go. So that's why I'm here. If it wasn't for this, I'd be going downtown or getting coffee or something. It's nice to get going, and also it keeps you going if you get distracted, which I get easily distracted. Okay. You help focus back on that.
Yeah.
Well, later. Well, let's make sure we put a note on that to do that later. That kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Plus, I think, too, you have some unique challenges, which a lot of people do. You have had ADHD all your life.
Oh, yeah.
And that has definitely impacted your organization skills.
Yes.
Yes, and time management. Although you need to have strategies to help you work better. And I think for virtual organizing for you, from what you told me, is accountability works really well.
Yeah, it keeps me in line. I mean, not that I'm doing anything bad, but it keeps me in focus because it's very easy for me to go, well, I should be checking out the yard right now. It's a nice day. Well, it helps pull me back in.
Yeah. So, okay, so let's look at this closet we're going to work on just for a little bit.
Okay, here we go. Let me flip the thing here so you can see what I got. Here
okay.
is.
Okay, this is a closet that's going towards a basement. It's got a nice storage area, but it needs some maintaining. So what I usually do is the first thing, hey, let's start on that first shelf or the bottom, either one, bottom or top. Which is your preference, Pat?
Oh, you know what? We might as well knock the top off because it looks easy. It looks like it's quicker.
It does. So I have people kind of just like start pulling stuff out and see what they have. So like, what is that, Pat?
That's a paint tray.
And is that something you think you would use?
Eventually, but I don't know.
Okay. Possibly. Okay.
Right. Let's see what this is. This is a bag.
Okay. A bag of something, huh? Looks like a computer bag or something like that.
Yeah, who knows? It is a ResMed CPAP machine bag.
Okay. Is that something you use?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's see what it's got in it. Actually, ResMed supplies.
Okay, so this may be something that you can let go of if it's something you don't use, maybe.
Yeah, possibly. I think that's exactly what this is.
Okay.
It's a whole, I don't know what the heck this must have been long to the last one.
Why you have it, huh? But yeah, this is good. So you can probably let go of that then.
I've been meaning to have sleep apnea, so maybe I should talk to it.
There you go. Okay, so what else we got on that shelf?
See what else we got. This here is my bike helmet.
Your bike helmet. Okay, that's a good thing.
For the bike that I used to ride before the tires blew.
But you might go back to something like that.
I'm definitely going back to
what you told me before, yeah.
Yes.
So
unless you call me Tubby, So I'm doing it. I'm going back to it. Okay, this is really cool. It's a cooler.
Okay.
It's just a jug, a water jug.
Okay. All right. That's cool. Yeah. That's great. Might give it to somebody. Okay. So what you got? Looks like chemicals of some sort for the yard.
Yep, it's a weed eater for the yard.
Okay. Would you keep that in the basement, or would you use it?
Yes, that would go in the basement.
Okay, so that's a basement thing. So we start having piles of things that go other places, things that are giveaway, things that might need tossed, things that will go back in there once it's organized a little better.
Okay. This here is an air freshener. Okay. Fresh enough. This
my first fire. That sounds kind of dangerous. I don't know.
It's a fake gift for kids to ages 2+, and they show little kids playing with it.
Okay. Oh no.
I saved that because I had to give it out to somebody every year for
Okay,
Christmas.
so it's a little gag gift. It's a gag gift. So that might go in a gift pile that you might want to use again. I don't know. You tell me. So
I'll put that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know what? We can go ahead and just look at the next shelf. But I think what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. I just wanted to give people a little idea. So what we'll end up doing is going through the whole closet.
Yep.
And then we're going to organize what's left. If things go back in that space, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the camera. So we'll end up just kind of going through that whole closet, organize that space, and see how Pat's feeling as we do it. So, okay, till next time. Thanks.